Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm gonna be working on my 240 again, and I'm also gonna be wrapping my rear bumper because the paint is kind of bad on the rear bumper. So I was hoping maybe I can wrap it until I get it painted. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So yeah. Oh yeah, well, yeah, let's get right in. It is currently, I think it's like 3:30 in the morning. I've been working on this for like 6 hours. I finally got it on. Some parts didn't come out as I anticipated, but good enough. I'm gonna cut it around and give you guys a full review. Alright, so it's the next day now. I didn't show you guys what it looks like, but it looks like this now. I'll give you a full walkthrough tomorrow. Initially I was just gonna take this off, but it's a lot of work to take this off, so I'm just gonna, I cut it out a white strip and I'm just gonna go over it because I'm lazy and we have white wrap anyway, so I'm just gonna do that.
This ain't right. I wanna whisper in your ear and tell you all the things that you like. Be up all night. This ain't fair. Can't you see I'm pulling out my hair? Dazed and confused and I really can't think. All I can do is pour more of this drink. I'm pouring over yourself. Little bit of, I don't know what hurts. 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 20. A little bit of you, baby. It's plenty. I put on everything. Girls be telling me that it's time that I need to wait. And I'll be, but I'll be left by. Pour it up, pour it up, pour it up, yeah. Baby, it's murder.
About the petty things you don't like. Let's try and focus on everything you do like. Let's take it up, I think that we could reach a new height. Think you need to loosen up, you wound up too tight. And everything I do, you know I always try and do right. Think about my old days while I start a new night. Thrive in the sun, become alive in the moonlight. Look, I just wanna maybe give you something that can help. Go and get up on your feet, leave your troubles on the shelf. Ay, dig a little deeper, find some comfort in yourself. Just don't get caught in the loop like a buckle in a belt. Keep it low key, like the bass line down low. Spirit so free, like a line wire down low. Let your cell phone ring till it hits that dial tone. Vibe to the beat, play it back if it sounds dope.
Came out pretty good. I still need more time to get used to not seeing that strip thing, but I guess it looks a lot more cokey now, and yeah, I mean, if I have the wing and the rear valences, it's gonna be a full Type X, basically. But yeah, I mean, it was really, really difficult, and I probably would not do it again, but it was a good experience, and it came out pretty nice, so really happy with that. But yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I'm planning to do more stuff in the future, but I don't think I'm gonna do a wrap ever again. But yeah, make sure to follow all my social media. Please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. And that's it. I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
If you wanna, it's cool. If you wanna, just do what you wanna, just